Hello friends, I hope you are doing good, and today I am come back with new video. Okay, so in this video I am going to explain how to hide the update link from WordPress. Okay, so just follow me and follow all my steps in this video, and you can do it very easily. You have no need to use any plugins to hide the update link from your website, because if you will large number of plugins from your website, in that case your site speed will automatically reduce. Okay, so this is not a good choice to use the plugins for any a small functionality. Okay, so let's start. And if you will have any query about my video and about the coding of the WordPress, okay, and then you can leave your comment in video comment box. And if you will found my video, it then you can share it with your friends, and you can subscribe to our channel to get my latest video. Okay, so let's start. And here you can see the WordPress admin. This is my WordPress admin. Okay, and here you can see the updation link, the version related, and you can see the update link under dashboard menu. Update here is showing the total 18 update. It means including the plugins, themes, or WordPress core file. So there are 18 updates are available on this website. Okay, so here you can see the notification 10. It means 10 plugins are so ready to update. So if you want to hide these all notification from WordPress, then you have need to follow my steps. So let's start. Okay, so I am going to explain the smart way to hide the update link from your WordPress website. Okay, so as I have already created my blog post on my official blog. Okay, so you can also browse my blog to get some latest post on WordPress or in some other technology as well. Okay, so here you can see I have added a useful post, how to add PayPal permission. Okay, so I have listed all the useful information on my blog post. Okay, so you can follow, subscribe to our video to get my latest post. And here you can see we have started the free learning classes on WordPress, so you can subscribe to our channel via click on this link as well. Okay, so let's start on this. So as per my post, okay, I am going to share the all steps here. Okay, so if you want to hide the update link from WordPress admin dashboard, then this post will be helpful. Obviously we can hide the update link from WordPress admin without using any plugins. Okay, so here I am going to describe the way to hide the update links using WordPress hooks. Okay, because WordPress hooks play a very important role to understand the functionality and coding part of the WordPress. Okay, so let's start to hide the update link. Okay, so first of all, before start here, you will need to open your you will need to find the current theme directory here. Okay, as I am using the 2016, here you can see I am using 2016 theme here for my WordPress. And same way you can also check the current theme, and after that you have need to find the folder of the current theme directory, and then find the function.php or current theme file. Okay, so to add my given block code, you need to open your theme function.php file in your editor. Okay, so as I have already opened the my theme function file here, you can see 2060 function. Okay, so as per my post, I am following the all steps and doing step by step. Okay, so add given below code into your theme function.php file to hide update alert message from admin dashboard. So to hide this update available, this notification, we have need to use this board. Okay, so you have just need to copy the code, right click, copy, paste it in bottom of your function.php file. Okay, let me refresh the page. Okay, you can see the update link has been gone, removed. So our code is working fine. Okay, and let's come on next step, add below code into your theme function file to add the notification of this. Okay, and during add the code, we have added a redirect restriction as well. So if someone will try to access the WordPress core update file from admin, then it will automatically redirect to WordPress dashboard. Like, okay, so let me show you. So if you will go with this link, then you will redirect to here, and here you can see all the update links, plugins, theme, and WordPress core as well. Okay, so to do not allow to access this URL, we are going to add the condition in this function as well. So let me copy the code and same way copy. Okay, so this is very simple, just copy code and replace it with my previous function. Okay, as function is same, so you have need to replace this one. Okay, if you will not replace, in that case it can return error, or it will not return because I have already mentioned a condition here. So but in that case it will call only a single function. So I am going to, I have replaced the current function and going to replace it. Let me here you can see the update menu link has been removed here. Okay, but this one back again because I have removed the last function. Okay, and let me try to refresh this page and see I am able to, yeah, you can see you are not able to access the core file. Okay, so in this way user will not able to update the any update plugins, themes, or core update from backend. So let's come on third point. Okay, and our first two for code is working fine. Add given code into function file to hide the update link. Okay, this is basically to hide update link about this. Okay, update available about this link and this notification, and you can see the notification message, update notification on theme as well. Okay, so to remove, to hide these all links, you will require to use our third step code. Okay, so I am going to just copy the code, copy and paste it. And going to refresh the page again, and you can see the update link has been removed. The update link has been removed from here as well. Let me check the WordPress here as well. So all the notification has been removed from WordPress admin. Okay, and you can see the 0 notification showing here as well. Okay, so these are very simple steps, simple steps. Okay, here I have given the command code of these all above 3 steps, so you can copy the all if you want to hide the all the links, update link at a time. In that case you have need to just copy the code and paste it in bottom of your theme function.php file. Okay, So let me show you. Yeah, you can see all the links has been removed from your website. Here you are also not able to see any update. Here you are also not able to see, and here you can also not able to see. Even when you are trying to update core file, then you are redirected to home page. Okay, so this is the way you can hide the update link. Okay, so now let's me explain the advantage and disadvantage to hide the update link. Okay, as you know, WordPress release the latest version and regularly on in 1 month or 2 months around. Okay, because WordPress release the some security patches in every version. Okay, so to make your website secure and to you have need to make your website up to date with WordPress latest version. Okay, so if you will update your all plugins, will up to date your plugins, themes and WordPress core file as well. Okay, so there will a very less chances to hack your WordPress website. Okay, and if you are going to use your old version of the WordPress, and like in this way you are going to hide the update links from your website. Okay, and you are not going to update the WordPress from backend of, sorry, on your website. Okay, in that case the hacking chances of your WordPress site will be more, much more. Okay, so I will not suggest you to hide the update links in this way, because this is not good for security purpose. Okay, because you must have need to update your up to date your website with latest WordPress. So this is the settings I have explained the advantage is here. You can update the link here within a 1 minute only. And okay, and there are a many disadvantage to follow these steps. Okay, so I will not prefer you to use this way to hide the update links, because updation is most necessary for WordPress to make your site secure, to make your WordPress website secure. Okay, so as per your choice, as per your requirement, you can take your decision. I have suggest you the disadvantage to disable the links from admin. Okay, so that's it for today. If you like my video, okay, and if you have any query, then please comment your comment in video comment box. And if you like my video, then like the video and click on subscription button to get my latest video on WordPress or in some other useful technical information. Okay, and currently I am giving the WordPress lessons tutorial, WordPress lesson classes free of here. Okay, so this is my first session video. Okay, and same way I am going to the upload the next session video and coming days. Okay, so in that case to access my coming lesson, you can click on subscribe button and you can click on the bell button of my video to access the to get the latest video from my WordPress admin. Okay, so that's it guys. I will back again with new information, with new video that will help you. And if you want to any query, if you want to learn any topic of the WordPress, then you can leave it in video comment box and I will review it and I will try to create a new video on basis of your requirement. Okay, so I will provide our official WordPress blog links, post link in video description box, so you can easily access our WordPress website. Okay, so bye, take care.